دوستانی عزیز، امیدوارم که شما و اهل ولایتان صحت و سلامت هستید. Today we are faced with a global pandemic, more serious than any we have seen in the past 100 years. This novel coronavirus, known as COVID-19, has reached every corner of the world, including the United States and Central Asia, though as of this time we know of no known or confirmed cases here in Tajikistan. As we have seen in so many countries, this disease can spread quickly, devastate communities, and overwhelm medical systems. This global threat requires a global response, and we absolutely must work together. For that reason, Embassy Dushanbe has been in close contact with the Tajik government on its preparations to fight the disease. On April 2nd, I met with Prime Minister Kohir Rasulzodeh to discuss Tajikistan's needs as Tajikistan continues and intensifies its preparations. To prevent and combat the spread of COVID-19, today I am announcing that the American government is providing $866,000 in assistance to Tajikistan. Our support will help train doctors and nurses, assist hospitals to acquire the equipment they need, and to facilitate accurate testing. The United States values the friendship and partnership we enjoy with the people of Tajikistan. For more than 20 years, we have worked with the Ministry of Health, hospitals, doctors, and nurses to help improve the healthcare system here. As we confront COVID-19, I pledge that our partnership will continue. Working together, we will all get through this. Salamat Boshed.